Welcome to day 56 of 90 Days Race Challenge. And today I want to share with you lesson number 8, which I've got from trading and investing. And that is half knowledge is way more dangerous than no knowledge. Now, let's take an example that if you don't know all the alphabets from A to Z, then will you be able to read this particular caption? Absolutely not. In the same sense, when it comes to trading, you should be absolutely clear about what are the different sets of tools or indicators, or even if you're just trading based on price action, then you should be absolutely clear about what are the different patterns which are being formed. What is the possible set of action which you can take at that particular instance of time? That should be absolutely clear to you. Now let's take one more example, that is RSI, which is momentum indicator with which we can determine the speed of the market. So let's consider that if you don't know what is PRD, what is NRD, what is range shift, then you are just halfway done through the basics of RSI itself. So that is why it is absolutely mandatory to go in depth of every single topic, whichever you are learning, whether it is in terms of price action, tools, indicators, or even 7-step analysis as well. So that is why half knowledge is way more dangerous than no knowledge.